Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Queen Elizabeth. As you can see today, I am come up with another very incredible project. As you can see, this is very interesting and very eye-catching and very unique and different from the other projects. As you can see, before going to start the review of my amazing project, I request you, if you are new on my channel guys, you have to just subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos notification, so that you get updation for further upcoming amazing videos. Now we are going to start the project. I want to say something, that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. You are responsible for your loss and profit, so you have to simply go this website, and I also provide you the website official links in my video description, so you have to explore this amazing website. And I also share you each and every minor and big detail of about this amazing project. So now we start this amazing project. As you can see, the Rolana interesting project. The pre-sale time takes place on 22 days, 21 hours and 10 minutes and 42 seconds. As you can see, check it out. This is, and also, and you can check it out, their social medias like Twitter and Telegram. You have to check it out and you have to follow them and join their community for the further upcoming amazing videos updation. And also you can check it out, you can smell it, you can buy it, you can roll it, and also you can smoke it, dream with it. Each and everything is possible for this amazing token, and you have to just check it out. And also they have the steps, in which they have the three steps. In the first step they have the radium. You can get every information about this interesting platform. And also you have the second step, in which they have the dex screener, and the third step, in which they have the dex tool. So you have to check it out. Now we have to share a very little bit information about this amazing platform, that the first meme with the brand name coming on the Solana network. This is the very unique part of this amazing platform. And also we have the best role community pre-sale on the progress 0.323 Solana. Amazing gifts such as rolling papers and more than to be winning. Amazing gifts such as rolling paper and more than to be win, that when you participate in the pre-sale, 0% taxes. And also they have the plan launched on the Radium Pro post-launch marketing implementations based team, OG triggers, and all the Solana trading to be the booked, and 10%, sorry, 100% fair launch. And also they have the contact address which is not launched yet. And also they have the role with the Solana everywhere and Rolana social medias like Twitter and Telegram. And also they have a very interesting past and future development roadmap, which you can check it out. They have the 20% for pre-sale, 10% for LP learned burned. And also they have the pre-sale on progress, which is 0.323 Sol, and 20% for marketing and launch on the Radium and all the Solana wallets. It will be obvious for the reason. And also you have to check it out, that they have the taxes which is absolutely zero, and the liquidity burn, and the mind or freeze revoked total supply, which is 1 billion. As you can see, because even the mimiest of the coin need the financial genius to power them, we are dedicating to provide a coin that benefits our most detected followers. So you have to simply follow. And also you can check out their project promotion, in which they have 55% promotion before pre-sale and 0% promotion after pre-sale. And also you can check it out the promotional period launch. You can check it out the brand name items, like the first kind of overruling papers with QR code. You have to check it out. It's Mimi with the brand name Roll It and Light It, which is Rolana. As you can see, you can check it out. They're amazing and interesting brand. You can see it. This is very unique and very eye-catching. And also you can check it out their website, like the Rolana is the meaning of the wealth. Our community wanted something big to roll, and here we are, world, we giving you the Rolana, the first Mimi that can make you go high and absolutely high. We are going to make a fair launch at Radium. We will lock or burn the liquidity. We will also bubble map, so everything will be clear for all our community. And also the Rolana is the only way. Let's light it and pump it. So you have to check it out their white paper, and also you can check it out their gallery, which is have interesting and very eye-catching items and brands. You have to check it out. This is very interesting. Now we are going to check it out their interesting white paper. In this they have every information, like they have the research, they have roadmap, design, plan, development, management, pre-marketing, marketing, Solana rolling map, paper socialization, 10 point and 10,000 Rolana rolling papers production, and also they have the launch website, pre-sale, post-marketing, maintenance, influence marketing, and business plan, coffee shops, Netherlands, and Rolana rolling maps, promotions, and pre-sale logged and globalizations. Rolana brand, as you can see, the pre-sale can be claimed for, and also you can set up the bird eye marketing, set up the Dextoon marketing, set up the Jupiter marketing, and also you can check it out the social medias, organizations, or management. You have to link a link with CoinGecko listing, Coin Market Cap marketing listing, and also you have to business plan USA marketing and analyze the statistics and human research marketing promotion. Rolana, we are running our business in Netherlands. We produce Rolana rolling papers, and also they have the rolling papers will be in all the coffee shops around the Netherlands, and we are searching, analyzing all our plan with the help of admins and developers and the promoters, the task list, the connection of the product rolling papers, the blockchain. Rolana is very genius. So you have to simply join their also Telegram community. By joining their Telegram community, you have to get updation about their further upcoming amazing information about this project, and also you have to follow their Twitter accounts. By following their Twitter accounts, you have to get updation about their further upcoming amazing notification and amazing interesting updates about this amazing platform. Simply you have to follow these social accounts like Telegram and Twitter community. So you have to follow and you have to get benefit from it. This is all about my website, and this is all about my interesting project. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care.